homemade raisin cake recipe. A delicious healthy dessert recipe made with brown sugar, cinnamon and of course raisins. Ingredients: 1/3 cup butter or 5 1/3 tablespoons. 1 cup brown sugar. 2 cups raisins. 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon. Half teaspoon ground cloves. Half teaspoon ground nutmeg. 1/4 teaspoon salt. 1 cup water. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. 2 eggs. 2 cups all-purpose flour. 1 teaspoon baking soda. Half teaspoon baking powder. 1 cup chopped pecans or walnuts, optional. Instructions: bring butter, sugar, raisins, spices, salt and water to a medium boil for 3 minutes on top of the stove. Remove from stove and let cool. Stir in vanilla extract. Whisk together the flour, baking soda and baking powder in a large bowl. Pour in cooled ingredients and mix until ingredients are all wet. Stir in eggs and fold in nuts. Prepare a 9x9 baking pan by lightly oiling it or lining it with parchment paper and bake in preheated 350-degree oven for 50 to 55 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center of the cake comes out clean. Sprinkle more raisins on top of cake. You can add your favorite frosting or glaze, or just sprinkle on some powdered sugar top.